Guys, what's up? How's everybody doing? Check this out. I want to move kind of quick so I can keep the video short and sweet. That way you guys don't hang up on me. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like button. So check this out. Reason why is because the key tag's yellow, the truck is yellow. What is it? It's an Amarillo. Yep, 2006 Ford F-250, 6.0 liter 4x4, turbo diesel, Amarillo. You heard it. Yep, rare production made, along with the Outlaw, which was produced in 07. Amarillo, I don't know, comment below what years and how many produced. If you want to be technical about it, go ahead, go for it. You'll help me out and help everybody watching. And that's what we have here. This is a lifted 2006 Ford F-250 Amarillo. As you can see, it's got a 6-inch rough country lift kit on it, and the wheels are massive. Okay, these are hostile wheels. Ready? Look at the gap. Look at the I mean, damn, the offset is crazy. So we are looking at a set of 22 by 14 hostile wheels, and they're wrapped around a set of Venom Power Hunter XT tires. These are these are 37 1350 22-inch tire. Can't really speak to it because I was thinking about something else before I forget to tell you. Out back, we'll focus up front right here. You guys ever think about two things at once, but you're talking at the same time? Anywho, that's what's going on. Tires have good tread on them. Everything is probably about, I would say, I don't know, maybe 90% tread. We'll walk around to the rear, and I'll show you the rear so I'm not lying to you. Maybe 70% tread. On the rear over here, 70, maybe 72. Front, 90. Okay, there you go. You have your specs. Get out the little meter if you want to go any further. Dual steering stabilizers up front, rough country, Pitman arm right there for your steering and all that stuff. Everything looks pretty good. It's a used truck. It does have a little bit of surface rust, as you can see. The body and the frame, surface rust too. So I can get the sunlight out of my eyes. Hold on. Here we go. Here's what I was thinking about. Cap corners. Somebody asked me to send him a video of the cap corners. Cap corners, rocker panels all the way up. Underside of the truck, a little bit of rust underneath the body. Frame is in decent shape, not bad for its year. Full 4-inch turbo back exhaust system with an axle dump exhaust out back. MBRP, sounds phenomenal. You heard it in the beginning of the video. Sounds great. 08 mirrors. 08 plus mirrors with the turn signals incorporated. I love the new style headlights for the 06, 05, 06. Harley Davidson grill. Cube lights, LED lights in the front bumper. Full turn left, full turn right. Doesn't rub, but it is kind of trimmed up right here. There's the underside right there on this front. Going through to the... Actually, I locked it. What the hell am I doing? There we go. Axle dump... Can't even speak to it. Axle dump 4-inch MBRP exhaust with a huge tip. Look at that. It's like an 8-inch or 10-inch MBRP tip. Sounds great. Got a little bit of rock chip here. Rhino line bed liner with a gooseneck ball and all the attachments. There was like previously a stack on it. I don't know. The hole's still there if you want to weld it up, whatever, put a bed liner in it, whatever anybody decides who wants to buy it. This truck's going to be priced pretty aggressively. Runs and drives good. LED taillights. Walking around to the side right here. A little bit of, I don't know what the hell that is, scratch or whatnot. Gas cap in the back here. Leather seats in the rear, obviously. Amarillo does not say there, but it says Amarillo up here. We'll get to that in just a second. Floor mats are all good. It's really clean inside. Hook it back up and we'll show you what's under here. What do you know? Somebody left their Gatorade or High C, probably because it's yellow. like Amarillo. They're drinking yellow iced tea or lemonade. Front right here, I'll show you what's going on. All-weather floor mats. M Max Liner, never even heard of them before, but hey, they're really good. I like them. I like the way they look. They kind of implement the truck and the floor liner as far as like a rough WeatherTech. It looks really nice. Heated seats. Amarillo stitched in red, incorporated into the driver and passenger seats. The stitched red steering wheel, it looks phenomenal. I really like it. This is aftermarket, I can tell by right there. The miles, oh, we can open the door and close it. This thing's actually pretty tall, guys. It really is. I'm 6 foot tall and my head comes up to about right there in the mirror. So the truck is tall. And I gotta jump up to get in here. Mileage. Oh, you gotta put the damn key in. You wanna be technical even more? I can't even get the key out of my pocket. I'm trying to keep this video short and quick and I'm the problem. Whoever had it before me loved to color in the coloring books because they painted the dash yellow. 535 miles. JVC double din head unit. Four-wheel drive works good. Locking hubs. And I'll show you the rocker door, the door jambs right there. Rocker panels right here. Okay. Underside again. There. In the back. There. Okay. Truck is used. So obviously you're gonna see what comes with it. Here we go. New brake calipers up front on both sides. Special edition Amarillo on the center console, which is cool. Pop the hood, show you the 6.0 liter power plant. Electronic pedals, all that jazz. Steering wheel controls. Tip of the steering wheel is great. Amarillo is in the speedometer part of it, so it lets you know you're driving an Amarillo. Electric sunroof, or power sunroof, I'm sorry, and sliding rear window. Moving along to the front. Here we go. A little bit of dirt right there. The hood's in good shape. You can see some spots on the clear coat are kind of like, you can kind of see it. I don't know if you can in the camera, focus camera, see it? But you can barely see, you got to get up really close. You can't even see it from like that view. So we'll pop the hood, show you guys the power plant. But a bunch of goodies under here. Bunch of goodies. Let me jump up so I can show you. I'm going to verify if it is or it is not studded for you guys. And this one is not studded. Factory head bolts, okay? This one is not studded. It's got the cold air Sinister Diesel or mock-up Sinister Diesel cold air piping. The water filter for the radiator right here. The filter for the radiator. So you got a nice filter right there. K&N or whatever you want to call this, cold air intake system or Sinister Diesel mock-up. I don't see any Sinister Diesel plaques on here. That's why I'm telling you guys that. Fluid is in there and it's not leaking out the lip. You can tell that. And head bolts, you can see right there. Factory head bolts, not studded. So no, it's not studded, but it still runs and drives its ass off. Let's move on and show you guys what's going on. What else did I have to tell you? That's about it, really. Dual steering stabilizer. I think I went over everything. So if you guys have any questions, want to learn more about this truck for sale, it's going to be priced pretty aggressively. I don't want to say this on the YouTube site because if we reduce the price, it might be different. So I'm just going to tell you, check it out, www.superiorwholesale.org. It's going to be listed for sale on that website. You can hit the drop down menu, it'll tell you, or call 540-898-3025. Once again, 540-898-3025, or visit superiorwholesale.org. No dashes, spaces, or nothing. All right, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, like it and share it. Take care. See you later. Bye.